welcome, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's my day off and I thought I'd take this video mobile. So today we're here at California's beautiful Joshua Tree National Park. And I thought what better way to test out a few things I got here from Freewell. I got their Sherpa kit for video and photography, and I thought I'd test it out on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So they sent over a iPhone 14 Pro Max case, a diffusion glow mist filter, and a variable neutral density 1 through 5 stop filter, along with their Bluetooth selfie grip. So I'm going to go ahead and try these on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, take some footage, let you guys know what I think about this. So let's go ahead and put this on the phone and try it out. So here we have the Sherpa case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And there it is. Nice black and blue aesthetic. There is a MagSafe ring on the inside, so this is compatible with MagSafe. And bezels keep the cameras protected. Let's go ahead and put the phone in here. This is a nice snug fit. You got the Freewell logo, openings for ports and speakers. You got buttons are clicky. Overall, a nicely made case. And that's it. Next, we have the 1 to 5 stop VND filter. Comes in this nice case, and it has a cover. Let's remove the cover. Feels really well built. And it goes from 1 stop all the way to 5. Kind of neat how that works. Go ahead and put this on the phone. And it attaches magnetically, so you just kind of snap it on. And that is on there secure. Again, you just rotate the dial, get to the darkest setting, and back to the lightest. Next up, we have the diffusion mist filter. Same protective case. And this again really feels well built. Let's get it on the phone. And this should give us some nice kind of bloom effects with the lighting. Let's see if we can test that out. And last but not least, we have the Sherpa selfie grip. They give you a little hand strap, small piece to attach the hand strap to. This also feels pretty well built. Button up top, turn it on, it's ready to pair, and it'll be a nice shutter button or record button. Let's go ahead and get this on the phone. Now to attach the phone, you just place it there, and then this will stretch to accommodate the phone. And this is the largest iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that feels pretty secure on there. And now you have a nice grip for your phone, and it feels very much like a handheld camera. You have the button there, cold shoe mount, and looks like an Arca Swiss quick release. Let's go ahead and pair this up with the phone. So this is the Sherpa kit from Freewell. And they include this really great iPhone 14 Pro Max case. Their color theme is black and blue. They have a really big logo there. The only gripe I really have with this phone case is the huge logo there. This will protect your phone from moderate drops. The buttons are really clicky, almost like metallicized buttons. And the big feature of this case, obviously, is the back magnetic mount that goes around the cameras. Not only do they keep your cameras well protected, you can also attach these filters. And this one here is also from Freewell, part of their kit. This is the 1 to 5 stop VND variable ND filter. And it attaches magnetically like that. And then you can rotate to get the different strengths of ND filter there. Again, 1 to 5 stop. So ND filters, or in this case, a variable ND filter, it's great at slowing down frame rates. so that if you're taking video and you see a fast moving object, maybe even something like water, you see the movement looks kind of jittery because the frame rates are too high. So the ND filter will slow down the frame rate so you get that real natural looking motion blur, and that's more ideal when you're taking video. They also include a creative filter. If I can grab it, this is a glow mist filter, and it does exactly that. It adds like a mist around the glow. So if you have really bright light sources around, it'll really soften that light. It'll give it kind of like a soft bloom around it and give you an ethereal look. So this is a great creative filter, and it works for both videos and photography as well. And also the last part of the kit, certainly not the least, is this hand grip slash selfie stick. So you can attach this onto your phone, and then you have a really cool hand grip with a shutter button up here. The shutter button connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and it's like a handheld camera. Very convenient. You know, you have a really strong, stable grip there when you're taking photos or video. The other thing too is that this transforms into a selfie stick. So you just open it up, you can extend it. The shutter button here that was there, you can move it here. There's an indentation, and now you have a selfie stick. You can vlog, take video as you're walking and vlogging, and then you can stop and start the video here from the button. So this is a great kit to have, and we are out here in Joshua Tree National Park. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and take some footage and some photography and run this through its paces. So I found the Sherpa kit from Freewell to actually be really flexible and help me be more flexible as I'm being creative while I take photos or video footage. I really like how the variable ND filter works. It allowed me to lower the frame rate so I get smoother motion, and I'm actually looking forward to using the glow mist filter more when I want to take video or photos where there are a lot of light sources. I think this is a great kit, and I think I should mention that their phone case actually can use lenses. So Freewell has their own line of lenses, so you can actually have an anamorphic lens, kind of like the Moment lenses. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the Sherpa kit. Do you have one? Do you own one? Do you plan on getting one? How would you use it in your photography or videography? And that's going to do it for this one. So until the next one, I'm out of here from Joshua National Park. So please take care and be safe out there.